5 concerns that I have about our policy in America about autism. My name is Sol Smith. I'm the author of the Autistic's Guide to Self-Discovery. I'm also the manager of the Neurospicy community, where autistics like me get together with people around the world to discuss and support each other and create community. Okay, number one. The stance on autism is way off here. It is not caused by environmental toxins. We know that autism is caused by biological factors, that it's inherited, and how it is expressed is caused by environmental factors, but not toxins, but by socio-environmental factors, such as how you're raised, how you're socialized, and with how your government treats you, for example. Number two is this national autism registry that's being proposed, this idea that they should be taking private healthcare records, data from smartwatches, from DNA test kits, from all sorts of other places that are going to ultimately give us a list of everybody who's autistic in the country. I'm sorry, this is not the government's business. This is personal, and it is certainly not a threat to anyone who's autistic. And why should we be kept track of? And you know, anybody saying, well, if you have nothing to hide, then what should you worry about? And yet here we are. I would like to hide this information, even though it's nothing to worry about. Number three, massive budget cuts for programming that actually helps autistic people, such as, support services for autistic students, student financial aid for graduate students who are studying autism, suicide prevention research and support, diversity programming, which would help autistics in the workplace. These things are life-saving. These things are really important, and we're just cutting this budget and meanwhile focusing on, vaccines. Which brings us to number four, this whole idea about vaccines causing autism. Look, this has been debunked so many times. This conversation started in the 90s with really bad correlations that do not equal causations at all. Every single thing that was thought to be somewhat reliable in this conversation has been debunked tons of times. Number five is so disturbing that it seems like an Onion article, or it seems like it's so satirically bad. Wellness farms for autistics. This idea has actually been floated. This is actually a danger. We're not going to let this happen. We're not letting this happen. Listen, if it comes to wellness farms for autistics, we're not complying. Do you understand this? We are not complying. We will do whatever it takes and not comply to wellness farms. Not for any autistics, not for anyone on the spectrum, not any part of the spectrum, not nonverbal autistics, not verbal autistics, nothing. We are not complying with this. It is important that we build our sense of community now. It's important that we build our sense of identity now, that we understand that the autistic culture is at stake here. We cannot abandon it. We need to stop having these discussions about, like, if it's dangerous to identify as autistic or not. We need to be coming together. We need to be supporting each other. We need to be looking at our locus of control, the things that we can control, which include our anxiety, which include our stress, and managing it so that we can manage any challenges that come. So, come on. We get together. We support each other. Let's work on this.